Even if we're walking with Him, nagkakasala pa rin tayo, nagkakamali pa rin tayo, nakakasakit pa rin tayo ng ibang tao, napapamura ka pa rin pag nakat ka sa traffic. As followers of Jesus, we believe that we are citizens of heaven. And I just want to make it clear, and we say this always in the feast, heaven is not some place in the sky. Heaven is not some far, far away planet or place in the universe. Heaven actually is gonna be here on earth. Huh? This sounds heretical, Mike. This sounds untrue. The biblical understanding of heaven is earth renovated according to God's blueprint, and it's called new creation. That is the better home that we await for. That is what it means when we say we are citizens of heaven. And if you think about it, not only are we citizens of that future place, we are also citizens of that future time, of that future reality. So Jesus' kingdom, yes, is already present, but this current world that we live in has yet to fully be completely recreated to be the home where Jesus is king over everything. And that's why I go back to the term, already, but not yet. On a personal level, this also means that even if we are following Jesus, we can still fall and make mistakes. Na kahit sumusunod na tayo sa Kanya, even if we're walking with Him, nagkakasala pa rin tayo, nagkakamali pa rin tayo, nakakasakit pa rin tayo ng ibang tao, napapamura ka pa rin pag nakat ka sa traffic, kung san-san ka pa rin napapatingin minsan. It's like what people say, 2 steps forward, 1 step back. I think that's the Christian walk. It's not a linear, perfect walk. You follow Him, you try your best, but sometimes you fail and you fall. We commit sin, we make mistakes. But here's the thing, when you and I make mistakes, let me tell you, do not focus on the fall or the failure. Rather, focus on the grace of God's forgiveness and faithfulness because you are His work in progress. You are His work in progress, meaning inaayos ka pa niya. You are under renovation. You are under restoration. So everybody with me say, I'm a work in progress. One more time, I'm a work in progress. I'm a miracle in the making. And if you believe that today, come on, give God some praise. You are a miracle in the making.